When my father died, my mother was in depression. We encouraged her to go with us in Cebu while we went to school. I could only remember that I was in second year, Moni was in third year, and Nining in first year college. I think Rodi was enrolled in one of the high schools. Mother stayed with us for only 1 year and went back to Cagayan de Oro. My eldest sister was recently married. On semestral vacation, my brother, sister, and myself ride the boat going home. It takes 2 days and 1 night to travel to Cebu. At an island called Siquijor, the boat swings back and forth, causing the people to vomit. I was not exempted from vomiting. Every time we pass by this island, we experience this same disturbance. My life as a high school student was hectic. I was an honor student from first year to fourth year high school and graduated as class historian. We siblings graduated in the same high school.